Hi friends, Namaste. Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe my channel. Today let us know about Constitution Day of India. Before going to our video, a small request to you all. Please subscribe my channel. Constitution Day of India. Here is everything you need to know. Date, significance, quotes to share and more. Constitution Day is celebrated on November 26th to honor the adoption of India's Constitution in 1949. It emphasizes the values of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity, recognizing Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's contributions and advocating for civic engagement in building a democratic and inclusive society. Constitution Day of India, also known as Samvidhan Divas, is observed annually on November 26th. It marks the adoption of the Indian Constitution in 1949 by the Constituent Assembly. The Constitution came into effect on 26th January 1950, establishing India as a sovereign democratic republic. The day celebrates the values of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity enshrined in the Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of the drafting committee, is widely revered as the chief architect of the Constitution. Officially declared in 2015, Constitution Day marks the adoption of the Indian Constitution on 26th November 1949. Significance of Constitution Day. Constitution Day honors Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and promotes awareness of constitutional values, rights, and duties. The day underscores the importance of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity, fostering national unity. It is a day to reflect on the transformative journey of the nation and reaffirm commitment to the principles that bind the diverse fabric of India. Constitution Day also reinforces democratic ideals, encouraging active civic participation and responsibility. It serves as a reminder of India's commitment to building a progressive, inclusive, and equitable society for all citizens. History of the Indian Constitution. India's struggle for independence highlighted the need for a governing framework to ensure justice, equality, and liberty for all citizens. Therefore, the Government of India Act 1935 served as a foundation for India's governance but lacked provisions for a sovereign democratic republic. The Constituent Assembly was formed in December 1946 through elections held under the Cabinet Mission Plan. It had 389 members, including prominent leaders like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Sardar Patel. After partition, the membership was reduced to 299. The assembly met for the first time on 9th December 1946 and was presided over by Dr. Rajendra Prasad as its chairman. The drafting committee, led by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, was tasked with preparing the draft. The draft was deliberated over in 11 sessions spanning 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days. On 26th November 1949, the Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution, which came into effect on January 26, 1950, marking India's transition to a democratic republic. It is the longest written constitution in the world with 395 articles and 8 schedules at its inception. The Indian Constitution is a unique blend of rigidity and flexibility, drawing inspiration from various global constitutions. It reflects the vision of a progressive, inclusive India, safeguarding the rights of its citizens while emphasizing their duties. Inspirational quotes. The Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document, it is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always the spirit of age. This is quotation by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We are Indians, firstly and lastly, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The spirit of the Constitution is to provide equality of status and opportunity to every citizen by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Liberty, equality, and fraternity are not to be treated as separate items in a trinity. The form, they form a union of trinity in the sense that to divorce one from the other is to defeat the very purpose of democracy. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. A constitution is not merely a document in black and white, it is a living document that involves with the nation. Justice P.N. Bhagwati. Democracy is not merely a form of government, it is primarily a mode of associating, living, of conjoint communicated experience. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The greatness of a nation lies in its fidelity to its constitution and its adherence to the rule of law. Pranab Mukherjee. The sanctity of the Constitution. The sanctity of the Constitution lies in its ability to balance rights and responsibilities. The Constitution gives us the freedom to dream big and work towards achieving those dreams. Narendra Modi. The will of the people is the only legitimate foundation of any government, and to protect its free expression should be our first object. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Meaningful ways to celebrate Constitution Day. Reading the preamble. Reading the preamble. Begin the day by collectively reading the preamble of the Indian Constitution in schools, colleges, offices, or public gatherings to reaffirm commitments to its principles. Educational programs. Organize debates, quizzes, essay competitions, and lectures focusing on the significance of the Constitution, its history, and its impact on modern India. Awareness campaigns spread awareness about fundamental rights and duties through workshops, posters, or social media social media campaigns. Constitution themed cultural activities. Arrange skits, plays, or poetry recitals centered on constitutional themes such as equality, justice, and freedom. Engage with civic responsibilities. Encourage citizens to reflect on their roles in upholding constitutional values and participation in community services. Hamara Samvidhan Hamara Samman. Ministers embark on Samvidhan Yatra to celebrate 75 years of India's constitution. Union ministers launched the Samvidhan Yatra to commemorate 75 years of India's constitution. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat urged youth to unite for national development, while Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla emphasized the importance of Constitution Day and honoring its creators. Union ministers on Monday embarked on the Samvidhan Yatra to celebrate 75 years of India's Constitution. Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat said that the Constitution will complete 75 years of formation. Therefore, we are celebrating Hamara Samvidhan, Hamara Saman. I would like to tell the youth to unite for the development of the nation, he added. I would like to tell the youth to unite for the development of the nation. This Constitution Day will become a mass movement and we will all express our gratitude towards the Constitution. We are taking out this Samvidhan Yatra as we will complete 75 years of the formation of the Constitution. Parliamentary Affairs Ministers Kiran Rijiju told ANI. Speaking on Constitution Day, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla said, "We adopted our Constitution on 26th November and it is a day to remember the sacrifice and dedication of Baba Saheb Ambedkar and the people who made our Constitution. In the 75-year journey of the democracy, India's democracy has also strengthened and that democracy has come to us from the basic spirit of the Constitution." He added that Constitution Day is being celebrated on 26th November under the leadership of the President, and the President will recite the preamble of the Constitution so that we can express our gratitude toward the Constitution and the basic spirit and power of the Constitution can reach the people. I hope that this Constitution Day will become a mass movement and we will all express our gratitude towards the Constitution and the people who contributed to it by carrying forward the basic duties and responsibilities of the Constitution. We will also realize our dream of Vikasit Bharat. Friends, now let us summarize the importance of this day. Constitution Day. This is also known as Samvidhan Divas, also known as National Law Day, is celebrated in India on 26th November every year to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. On 26th November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted to the Constitution of India, and it came into effect on 26th January. Official name Samvidhan Divas, also called National Law Day, observed by India. Significance: India adopted its constitution in November 1949. Celebrations: constitution related activities in schools, run for equality, special parliamentary session. Date 26th November. Frequency annual. First time 2015. Related to Constitution of India, Republic Day of India. The Government of India declared 26th November as Constitution Day on 19th November 2015 by a Gazette notification. The Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, made the declaration on 11th October 2015 while laying the foundation stone of the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's statue of the Equality Memorial in Mumbai. The year of 2021 was the 131st birth anniversary of Ambedkar, who had chaired the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly and played a pivotal role in the drafting of the Constitution. Previously, this day was celebrated as Law Day. November was chosen to 26th November was chosen to spread the thoughts and ideas of to spread the importance of the Constitution and to spread thoughts and ideas of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Sri P.M. Modi speech on National Law Day 2021 to 26th November, and also the President, Vice President and Lok Sabha Speaker also addressed the program. Thank you very much, friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.